Hey guys, Mike, IronTrap Garage, and today working on the 34 Cabriolet again. Last video we got the dash insert made, cut a glass template, and we got glass. Well, I have to go pick up the glass yet. The glass is done. But today what we're going to work on is getting the windshield frame ready to bolt in. So if you look around the edge, there's actually bolt holes that hold this windshield in. On a Cabriolet, the windshield is fixed. It does not move in and out. It is bolted into the bottom. So my windshield frame is an old or probably original frame. It's got like almost every bolt hole is broken. So I need to take it downstairs and work on fixing all of them so I can bolt it back in. Then we're gonna get the glass mounted and in the car. And then I need to, well, to do that, I need to pull the dash. So we're gonna pull the dash, work on doing some body work to it and get it in primer. It is in primer now, but it needs a little bit of work. So we're gonna do a bunch of different stuff today. Hopefully by the end we'll have the windshield bolted in and possibly have the dash ready for primer. It is cold today. It's like 15 degrees out. So we're gonna get this windshield downstairs and try and work near the wood stove. Alright, time to bolt this in. We were going to originally bodywork the dash, but with it being so cold, I did not realize body filler needs to be mixed at like 70 degrees. It is much colder than that outside. So I'm going to get this in and then look at what else we need to do. Sweet. So what we're gonna do next, I actually had a thought. I can do this downstairs. I need to rebuild or build a 12-volt generator. So I have a different one in the car than this one that's a little bit nicer. And I have my brand new generator. So we're gonna take those downstairs, redo them, get them bolted on, and just see what else we can do just to keep on chipping away on stuff that needs to be done on this. I know I need to put, I might dig them out today. I need to put screws in the door latches. They're currently not really held in. So I'm gonna get some of that stuff bolted in. Maybe we can work on the floor, get the floor all bolted in because the toe kick and the trans cover are not in. I need to make a cover for where the battery used to be. So we got a bunch of stuff. So take the generator downstairs, generators downstairs, get them changed over, and see what else we can chip away on today. Alrighty, windshield is in and mounted. The only problem we really had is there's 2 bolts on this side that someone had replaced the nuts at some point. They're just brazed in only at the top. I tried to drill them out, but as I was drilling, it was just pushing the nut down. So right now there's a bolt in this corner here, and then there'll be one about here. I'm pretty sure that's gonna clamp the windshield in enough. We have to see if it rattles or whatever, but I believe it'll be okay. We'll have to play around with it. Worst case, we'll have to take the glass back out, see if we can braze or cut that out and braze our own nut in. Just unfortunate thing with using an original windshield frame. I got the generator converted to 12 volts, bolted back on. I had to do some tweaking. I don't know, there's something with my mount that's actually putting the nose of the generator down. I might have to adjust some things there, but it's converted, it's bolted on. Super simple. I tried to show it a little bit more in detail than we have in the past, just to make it very straightforward on what needs to be done. Next time, probably gonna work on the floor stuff, try and get all the floorboards in and bolted down, work on getting the seat fixed where we want it. I do need to pull the dash out, but in the future, the car is gonna be going back downstairs to get worked on, front and rear shocks and some bulkhead stuff in the rear. So I don't want to pull the dash because I can't really drive it down. It becomes kind of hard to steer the car. So I'm going to leave the dash in for now until we have possibly a warm day to bodywork and put it in primer. But for right now, it's bolted in. There's 4 bolts I think I need for the bottom to bolt the windshield in all the way. So that'll get taken care of when I pull the dash out. So excited to keep chipping away on this. This bitter cold, it's kind of tough to work on stuff up here just because it's so cold. But we're gonna keep chipping away so we can drive it this spring. Thanks guys for watching. Catch you later.